Hi, my name is Tom Crisp. I'm the course leader for MA Sustainable Fashion at Falmouth University. The MA in Sustainable Fashion is a unique course within the marketplace that looks to develop alternative systems for fashion. So our Climate Present is a partnership between the Independent and Falmouth University. Today we are hosting a day of workshops and talks for World Climate Day.
I actually work at the Independent and I spoke to our events team and they said, why don't we do a sustainable fashion event? We started talking about it and then it's like, why don't we do a partnership?
So the Independent's tagline is making change happen, and we try and weave tangible, positive change into everything that we do. Getting to partner with institutions like Falmouth University allow us to share our platform with institutions, which then allow us to further augment these important issues. And in this case, it's the climate crisis and how the fashion industry can be part of combating that.
It's basically looking at, I guess, the question of sustainability and how we address it and how we make the changes we clearly need to make within the fashion industry.
There is real power in people coming together and being with other people that care about the same things.
So we've had a really rich day of workshops and talks and immersive discussion and really lots of wonderful ideas and thinking around fashion and sustainability.
Today's event we were doing a Rebel Patch workshop in the morning, which was really fun, and then we had a People's Assembly which was really interesting from Fashion Act Now, and they were really informative, and it's just really been good to sort of be around like-minded people and sort of open up that discussion.
My main takeaway from today is to slow down. Slow is a key word in sustainable fashion, as in slow fashion, making things more sustainable and more durable, cared for in ways that don't hurt the environment.
I would say that I think it's quite difficult sometimes when you're reading and learning so much about the negative impacts to kind of lose hope of what the positives could be, but it's like been really inspiring today.
Face-to-face events for MA Sustainable Fashion enrich the student experience and support our students to put what they learn into practice.
Fundamentally, it's about bringing the students together with potentially external people, to have conversations, to learn together, to discuss together, and hopefully change some perspectives.
So to actually meet everybody in person has been quite powerful. Like actually say hi and how are you getting on the course? Yeah, it's just been really just nice to connect in person.
There's a lot of climate anxiety and climate doom, and I think coming together and feeling like you are part of something bigger and feeling like there's other people that also care about the same thing as you can be hugely empowering.
It doesn't always need to be the big stuff. I think it's really important to be able to platform events like this.